Hello all. In the last video we seen the data types. In this video we're going to see the arithmetic operations and the numbers which are normally integer and float numbers. Now we are going to see the basic arithmetic operations, and then later we're going to see how to assign variables to it. Addition is as simple as that. You have to enter the operation inside the print function so that it will print the result. Addition is simple. Now subtraction, -4, and similarly multiplication, and you get the result, and division. So here one thing you notice, Python performs absolute division. In other languages, if you divide 3 by 2 it will return only the quotient, but here you will get the absolute division. So 3 by 2, which is 1.5. Another important operator is the exponent function. If you give 2 double star 3, which is 2 power 3, function F9, and here you can see the result 2 power 3, 8. And the other important thing is the modulo operation, which is nothing but you have to use the percent symbol here. Modulo will result you the remainder. It is very much helpful in cases of detecting odd and even, and also in some other functions which we'll discuss later. Now if you want to decide a number which is even or odd, you can divide by 2. You have to check 9, which is odd or even. You are getting the remainder as 1, so it's an odd number. Only for even numbers which is completely divisible by 2, you will get the remainder as result as 0. For other numbers you will get a value other than 0. So you can determine odd even using the simple modulo function. Yeah, that's it for this lecture. In the next video we will see how to assign a value to the variable. Thank you for watching.